Hello, people. So, as of yesterday and today, I went for a morning walk. I mean, I've told myself whatever time it is, I just need to step out and go for that walk. And then there's this place, you get very nice puris. So, I went and got it from there. It felt good. There's constant construction work happening outside. So, that's why, in case you all are not able to hear me, this is like constant, like they are basically stone cutters who are like literally cutting stone, and then apartments are going to come there. So that is pretty interesting. So really, as of yesterday, I saw this movie on Amazon Prime called House of Gucci, and now I've begun to not just do a review here, but also post a review, written review on Instagram. And I've realized writing is so much more, it's simpler, it's easier. Yeah, so House of Gucci, Lady Gaga, you will go gaga over her performance, like truly. Yeah. And this movie stars stalwarts like Al Pacino, and then there is Salma Hayek, who's literally has a guest appearance. But what is interesting is the movie House of Gucci is about the Gucci family, and now the Gucci brand is owned by the husband of Salma Hayek. So that is, it's really interesting, right? So truly, people, House of Gucci it is, and you can find it on Amazon Prime, and it has been called one of the 20 best films of all time. It's a film really worth watching. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.